Before we get into this crazy story, do me one favor. Hit that subscribe button. These videos take a ton of research, sourcing, and storytelling to bring you the full picture, and your support helps keep them coming. Ever wondered how lawyers take down a witness? Even a cop? Watch the story shift from deposition to the stand as leading questions expose this officer in an embarrassing fail.
And can you tell me about the movement of the vehicle?
It was moving in the fast lane.
Okay. Was there any movement into other lanes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me about that.
The vehicle moved from the fast lane to the center lane at one point in time. And then from the center lane to the curb lane and then back to the fast lane. And then eventually exited the freeway, sir.
The lawyer asks the same question he asked 6 months ago in a deposition, but now, on the stand, the cop gives a different answer. Both times he was under oath. The lawyer knows he's got the recording. So he slows it down, dumbs it down, and asks the question again.
Okay. So when you were following the vehicle, it moved from the fast lane to the center lane to the curb lane, back to the center lane, back to the slow lane. Did I get that right?
Something like that, yes, sir.
Okay.
That'd be close.
Okay, so the vehicle changed.
The vehicle did change lanes, yes, sir.
And then the vehicle exited the freeway.
That is correct, sir.
Okay. All right. Do you remember speaking with me during an interview a little while back?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. And you gave me honest answers during that interview.
To the best of my recollection, yes, sir.
With the contradiction locked in, the lawyer knows the cop lied under oath. He calmly asks if he remembers the deposition, and that's where the testimony starts to unravel.
Okay. Do you remember me asking you about the vehicle's movement during that interview?
No, sir, I do. I remember you asking a question, but I don't remember the exact particular, sir.
Okay. Do you recall me asking, when you were following the vehicle, did it stay in the same lane the whole time?
I know you asked numerous questions. That may have been one of them, yes, sir.
Okay. Do you recall your response?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay.
Sensing the cop getting a little smug, the lawyer sets up his endgame. He turns to the judge and asks the court to play a snippet from the deposition, the exact moment that exposes the lie.
Permission of the court, Your Honor, I would like to play a portion of my interview with Sergeant Cavese where I asked him whether the vehicle, when he was following it, it stayed the same lane the whole time.
And Mr. Payne, any objection? There you are. Okay. Play the portion of the tape, Mr. Moore.
I apologize again. Just going backwards a little bit.
Okay.
When you were following the pickup truck, did it stay in the same lane the whole time?
Yeah, it did.
Okay.
Yeah, when we
Hear that? The cop flat out says the pickup never weaved. Confident. No hesitation. But watch what's coming.
Did you hear that, Sergeant?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. So when I asked you, did the pickup truck stay in the same lane the whole time, your answer was yes, it did.
That is correct. That is my answer.
And just before I played that, when I was asking you about whether the pickup truck stayed in the same lane while you were following it, you told me that it moved from the fast lane to the middle lane, to the slow lane, to the middle lane, to the slow lane. Is that correct?
That is correct, sir.
Okay. So, which was it?
When I was behind the vehicle, it was in the fast lane the whole time. And at some point in time, as I just mentioned to you, he did move from lane to lane, sir.
Okay. So you don't find anything inconsistent with what you told me here in court and what we talked about?
I could see where you would see that as an inconsistency, yes, sir.
Okay.
The lawyer, prosecutor, and judge all see it. The cop's backtracking. The charge? Dangerous driving. The cop admits the inconsistency. 2 stories, same witness. The result? Not guilty. No proof beyond reasonable doubt. Want more? Subscribe.